The benefits of eating onions every day. What if I told you that one simple ingredient in your kitchen could unlock a treasure trove of health benefits? That's right. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of onions and discovering why adding them to your daily diet could be a game changer for your health. But before we slice into the juicy details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. You won't want to miss out on our tasty health tips. So what makes onions such a powerhouse? First off, they're packed with antioxidants. These little heroes fight free radicals in your body, reducing oxidative stress and helping prevent chronic diseases. Regularly consuming onions can boost your overall immune health, making you less susceptible to colds and infections. Next, let's talk about your heart. Studies show that the flavonoids found in onions can lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. A healthy heart means a healthier you. Just imagine feeling energized and ready to tackle your day. Onions also play a vital role in digestion. They're high in fiber, particularly inulin, which promotes healthy gut bacteria. A happy gut leads to better digestion and can even help regulate blood sugar levels. Who wouldn't want that? Incorporating onions into your meals is a breeze. Toss them in salads, stir-fries, soups, or even enjoy them grilled. The options are endless, and the flavor boost is unbeatable. And let's not forget about beauty. Onions can contribute to healthier skin and hair thanks to their rich sulfur content. Say goodbye to dull skin and hello to a radiant glow. So, are you ready to start reaping the benefits of onions? Incorporate them into your daily routine, and watch as your health transforms. Remember, this small ingredient packs a mighty punch. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the word about the incredible power of onions. Stay tuned for more tasty tips on leading a healthier life.